5 things you may not know about ACS Skills Assessment. Starting with 1, processing time and priority processing time. Processing time is now 5 weeks instead of 12 weeks. It used to be 12 weeks before, now it's 5 weeks, and if you're lucky enough, it might be even less than 5 weeks. Priority processing time is not affected just by the visa expiry. For example, in the ACS website, you can see if you're in Australia and if your visa is expiring very soon and there's a prescribed time frame for that, and if your expiry is within that time frame, you can ask for priority processing. So when you do the ACS application, there is a tick mark where you can put a tick on that which asks you, do you need priority processing? And it's not just limited to the visa expiry, it could be further extended to the age factor and also any state nomination pending applications. So this you have to check with your registered migration agent if you have one, or you can check with ACS if you're eligible for that priority processing. So by case basis, ACS will decide if you are eligible for that priority processing. Number 2 is about the 14-day period of time which ACS gives you to provide further information or documents. So don't be complacent and think that you can just lodge the ACS application with whatever documents or information you have and then wait for that 14 days request. ACS is not obligated to give you that 14 days time to provide further information or documents. They can take a decision based on what you have provided and give you an outcome. That outcome sometimes might be negative, so you don't want to take a chance, and please lodge a decision ready application. It's very good to have a registered migration agent like me on board to check whether your decision ready application is there on ACS portal, or in other words, if your application is decision ready. Obviously, registered migration agents have more knowledge than you. They have done a course in migration law and they know a bit more than you about ACS Skills Assessment. So just give them a benefit of doubt. Number 3 is about the format of skill level requirement met date. Currently, in the outcome letters of ACS, you see the skill level requirement met date in only month and year format. But if you go to lodge an EOI in skill select, you are required to put in format date, month and year format. But ACS will only give you month and year format. So to make life easy for you, ACS is going to put the same format, that is date, month and year format, very soon. Number 4, we are talking about certified documents here. It's very frustrating for ICT professionals to get certified documents of the originals when the original itself is a digital copy, like a work reference letter in an official letterhead from a particular company. So to ask them to go to a public notary to get a certified copy is not really reasonable. That is why the Department of Home Affairs is not asking for certified documents most cases, especially in online applications. So they're just asking a color photocopy of the original documents. Likewise, ACS is also not going to ask you certified documents very soon. It doesn't apply to the affidavits or the stat declarations, by the way. It's just about the work reference letters in official letterheads and the IDs like passport and the qualification documents you have and whatever is applicable. Number 5, you might be aware of the document, the most important document that you could find on ACS Skills Assessment website, which is the Skills Assessment Guidelines for Applicants. Currently, the version is V5 and it was released on 6th August 2018. They're going to get a new version in place of that, and the new version will be more useful and more usable. By more useful, I mean more information, which could cover some of the things I said in this video, and more usable is how you could retrieve that information and use it for your needs. As ICT professionals, you might be very familiar with the word usable. Those are the 5 things you may not know about ACS Skills Assessment. My name is Sujith Bila. I'm a registered migration agent with a background in ICT. If you're seeking immigration advice, if you want me to lodge your ACS Skills Assessment, do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you for watching.
The presenter of this video is Sujith Bila, a MARA agent with an ICT background. For more videos on ACS Skills Assessment, please subscribe to SujithTalks on YouTube and click on the bell icon to get notified. For immigration advice, visit sujithtalks.com, that is SujithTalks.com, and schedule either a phone or video consultation with MARA agent Sujith Bila.